it's now breeding season. They got it a little backwards there, I think. And check this out. So here's the eggs. Those are the eggs. And then over here, he's already separated some tadpoles. Way to go, Luch. Wow. Okay, this here tank, all the adult frogs have been removed. And holy smokes, you just can't, I cannot zoom in well enough. Maybe I can. These are all tadpoles and eggs. This thing's gonna be full. Oh, that one didn't, that's not zooming in very well. And this one here's already got the bigger tadpoles. Wow, he puts a lot of work into this. A lot of work. I'm over here at Luch's place, and man, the work just doesn't stop with the frogs. So right now they're cleaning. You may have seen this pen here in a different video, but they're now cleaning it, preparing it to put the frogs in. So again, it's really hard on the translations, but apparently some of the frogs from here, these tanks, are going to go over here, and this is the breeding season. So I'll just have to watch and see. Not sure how he knows which ones go. Hey, the one frog just jumped out. All right, moving time. Wow. This is a new home. Freedom. What a nice place. Wow. I came over to see what Luch's up to. He's cooking the frog. This time he's cooking it with the skin on. Oh, he's got a banana leaf in there. Ah, so the frogs don't stick to the pan. Huh. Good job. Apparently we weren't finished, so he goes from here and then here. Oh, okay. Huh. There you have it.